Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CHILIZ CHZ. Just going to dive into CHILIZ. Once again, thank you for your continued support across the channel here. Really do appreciate everything you do to contribute towards CHILIZ CHZ. You know, not just your membership on the Telegram group, the Patreons, everything that you do to contribute towards the growth of CHILIZ CHZ. I see so many people sharing these videos on Twitter as well and just bringing people in just to help them and a level of education and understanding in this volatile crypto space. So yeah, it's all good. So basically all our targets have been met off this W bottom, this cup and handle, boom, everything. Beautiful, lovely, lovely executable trade there. This particular cup and handle trade that played out 12%, and then our W bottom target as well to break out was 24%, and so that was golden. Excellent, fantastic for those of you who took that on. So these particular patterns can disappear now, so we'll get rid of these. Okay, tidy the chart up a little bit. It's always good to keep your chart nice and tidy. Okay, so basically what we've got, we can get rid of this particular level as well right now. So what's happening here? CHILIZ has obviously gone on, and as it's retracing now to the all-time, well, no, it's not the all-time high actually. It's when we made the top and we fell down. This is where we're trying to get back to, this particular level here, which is at 0.83. Okay, so we're on our way there basically, and what we're going to do obviously as you go up, you are going to run into a resistance, and that's perfectly normal, but it's perfectly healthy to do so as long as you can keep adhering now to these support lines, especially the EMAs. Okay, if you do start to roll over, if you start to back test them, hold them as support, it's golden, because what you're going to start to do, as you do appreciate, you're going to drag these EMAs up like this, and you're going to form this bullish cross. And we all know about bullish crosses. I've spoke about bullish crosses so many times. Look at what happens when you get a bullish cross. Okay, it's a big signal and a lot of confluence to the fact that you are going to start marching on and make those highs. So you do need to see that bullish cross. Just like here, you got the bearish cross. You see this bearish cross, almost from the bullish cross, no, rejected down. It just adds to the confluence of the fact that, you know, the trend is your friend, so to speak. So at the minute, you are still effectively, even though you are above the EMAs, you are still effectively in a 4-hourly downtrend, and still until you get the bullish cross. And that's basically how it works, because you can get throwbacks. You get where it just reverses, falls through the EMAs there, and loses all strength. Okay, in this new trend that you find yourself in. That's why you do need to see stealth. Get the bullish cross confirmation. It's looking good for it so far. Okay, get the bullish cross confirmation that you're still making these higher lows, and you're starting to make these higher highs as you do start to creep up like this. Okay, tackle these levels, get through them, smash them, and then get up to that particular level there for CHILIZ. So far so good, but we do need to see ourselves march on and get through this particular level here, because so many times I've told you that this particular level here is such a key level of resistance, and right now the more you keep hitting your head on it as resistance, you're just going to get caught under it. Okay, so you do need to see yourself get back above that particular level at 0.51972. You're very close, very close. This particular candle here is a very bullish candle, because obviously there was a bit of a correction. It started to roll, okay, and the buyers come in, the bulls come in and pushed it up and allowed you to come back up. This candle needs more volume. Okay, it needs more volume. Look at the volume down there. We need something to come in to stop this sort of rollover that CHILIZ is actually going through right now, because if it does start to roll, okay, and it does start to come down, you do need to see it bounce off this line here. Okay, and then obviously as these creep up as well and you're getting that continued support, you'll get forced up in some kind of ascending triangle, forcing you to pop out that particular level. I've always been transparent with you, the fact that is a really tough level to get through, but once you get through it and you start to test this golden ratio here, you're looking for lovely continuation up to that particular level right there. So do keep an eye on that for CHILIZ. Keep an eye on your charts, okay, but you do need to see it start closing above that. If it doesn't, you're going to start to come down and at least test this 55, okay, on the 4-hourly time frame. If you start to lose that, then obviously you're just going to reverse all this hard work that's just been done for CHILIZ and lose this level of resistance that's been created, okay, because you do need to see that back test to support as well and hold. So that's basically CHILIZ in a nutshell. A couple of trades really is, if you do start to see it close above 0.51972, you could see a lovely little bit of upside, okay, continuation to that golden ratio of around 12%. So that would be a nice executable trade there. And again, if you do start to see it just roll over in and it's not making any headway and it keeps hitting its head on that particular level there, then do anticipate a little short coming down to at least test this red line, okay, which is the 55 EMA, and that's a nice little 8% short there. These are all in and out trades that you can actually execute, because like I've said to you, you keep it in your head, keep it in your head, it rolls over and looks for support, just like here. If you backtest support, what does it do? It creeps up and looks for resistance, and that's basically how it works, charting 101, okay? So that's basically CHILIZ in a nutshell. So far so good. If we can get back above this and march on, you will see that bullish cross formed. you will see the trend reverse. You'll start making these higher lows, and you'll start making these higher highs, and we'll start doing something like that as we retrace. So that's basically CHILIZ. Good luck, everybody. The market is really mega bullish at the moment across the board. Such an amazing pickup and so good to see. But obviously you've always got to anticipate the breakdowns, and that's what we do in this channel. So far we're doing well. We're up 59% to the top there. From the bottom we were up 67%. So wow, what a recovery so far. It's golden. Okay, everyone, take care, stay strong, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay tuned. And hopefully by tomorrow, when I make a video, we can see CHILIZ that's broken out of this sort of little push down that it's going through at the moment, and back test this particular level of support, marching on to that golden ratio, and then obviously to our high there. Because if we do get through that, you're looking at that price appreciation up there. It's called a Fibonacci extension, and you've got that price prediction up there, $1.24 in this bull market. So do take care, everybody. Bye bye.